Ever wondered why people are drawn to certain individuals? Psychology suggests it's all about two key factors: success and attractiveness. But did you know your signature can reveal a lot about your confidence? It's true. The larger your signature, the more confident you're perceived. Want to unlock the secrets of psychology and apply them to your life? This video is packed with practical tips that will leave you saying, "That's so true." We're not just talking theory. These strategies can help you excel in your career, navigate everyday situations with ease, and even improve your relationships. Let's dive into some fascinating facts. Fact 1. Haggling hacks. Ever felt intimidated by price tags? Try this. When you see something you like, express genuine interest, but mention a lower price. The shopkeeper might be more willing to negotiate, thinking you have a limited budget. This tactic can save you money and boost your confidence. Fact 2. Master the art of debate. Want to win an argument? Speak quickly and confidently. This can overwhelm your opponent and make you seem more assertive. Additionally, avoid getting defensive or emotional. Stay calm and focused on your points. Fact 3. Powerful presentations. When answering questions or giving speeches, start and end with strong statements. Even if your middle section isn't as strong, the powerful beginning and end will leave a lasting impression. This technique can be applied to various situations, such as job interviews, presentations, or even casual conversations. Fact 4. Diffuse tension. In a heated argument, try a surprising tactic. Compliment your opponent. A sincere compliment can diffuse tension and shift the conversation to a more positive tone. This strategy can be particularly effective in personal relationships, as it shows respect and understanding. Fact 5. The power of a handshake. A firm handshake with interlaced fingers can enhance memory and create a positive impression. Plus, getting enough sleep can boost your brain power. These simple gestures can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. Ready for a challenge? Try this puzzle. The daughter of the son of my mother's mother's husband is who to my mother? Share your answer in the comments. That's all for now. If you want more, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, take care and have a great night.